Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I'm here with Debbie, our product manager, and it is time for day 4 for our daily deal. So, daily deal number 4 is 10% off of all of our non-holiday kits, and we have so many things to choose from. Now remember, our holiday kits are on sale on our holiday shop all week, but today only for 24 hours. Today is the only day to get 10% off of all of our kits, anything that's a not holiday. So why don't we start with our brand new things that we have in the shop.
Yes.
I know this is really pretty. This is an embroidered pendant kit. So it's just a small embroidery, and then you put it in, you get the jewelry findings and everything to put in there.
It has it.
Yeah.
It has the chain,
I think it
the
has
findings,
and
a
floss.
a little wooden hoop, an oval hoop.
Cute.
To hold that.
So this is something brand new in our shop,
that.
which we have never carried before. They're very pretty. So you can pick those up for 10% off.
This is a sewing roll.
A little sewing. So you can make like a little sewing kit, a little travel kit. And again, this comes with everything that you need, I think, except for the scissors. It's got all of the felts, the flosses.
It's the prettiest green color. You can't really see that because
their felts are really, really pretty in these kits. So we've got that one. We've got our little, I wish we had a sample for this. We didn't have time to make a sample, but we've got the embroidered doll. We've got the hedgehog, and we've got the fox.
So cute.
Cute stocking stuffer. First of all, if you've got somebody crafty in your life, I think these could probably be done by an older child, somebody with a little bit of experience in crafting or sewing. But what a great stocking stuffer that is for the crafty kid or person in your life. They're really cute. And foxes and hedgehogs are like, they're in style and they're not going anywhere. Like, they are here to stay, I think. I think that's a trend that's never going away again.
I'm smelling these.
Oh, these are our sachets with lavender in them. So we've got the bees, which I think we've carried before, and they're very popular. Yeah. And then we've got the little woodlands.
We still have some of these, yes.
So the woodland has the squirrel, the hedgehog, the owl, and the little mushrooms. Mushrooms are real popular now too.
And we've these other felt kits. If you like little felt kits that are quick. Dogs and cats. And birds.
And we've got the patriotic. We've got, again, the cats. So quick to make these either as coasters, or you can put a little hanging loop on them and make ornaments out of them. These are always popular, the little felt kits. And again, everything is included except for the scissors.
Yeah.
And then let's see, what else do we have? We've got our Ladybug Table Runner kit, which is on sale. This was very popular when we released this a few months ago, and we have only a handful left.
Yes.
So if you want to grab some of these or one of these while we still have them, we will not be restocking these. So you grab that today, on sale, today only. We've got several of our little topper kits. This one is the cherry one. Again, includes fabrics for the top, for the backing, for the binding. Everything is in here except for the batting and the thread, essentially.
Yeah.
And then
some mini
our
kits.
little mini kits, which are always popular. Here, which one do you have? You have the caterpillar, and I have, it's like a patriotic summer one. Comes with the pattern and the fabric, and I don't know if you can see the little tiny buttons that go on there. So again, these are on sale.
So cute.
10% off today only. And that is daily deal number 4. Remember, this week, for the whole week, we're going to combine your all of your purchases into one package. So we're going to combine your shipping. If you reach $80, you'll pay no shipping. You get free shipping. And for every $25 you spend over the whole week, you get a free gift with your package. So
yeah, that's it.
Daily deal number 4. We've got one more coming for you tomorrow, day 5. Make sure you join us tomorrow and find out what the daily deal is. Okay, bye.